Hi everyone. We are at the Bruce Peninsula National Park and also the Fathom 5 National Marine Park in Tobermory. This year is the 150th year of Canada, and in honor of that, all national parks are free to get into this year. So there is plenty of time left, if you hurry and pack, to see all of the national parks in Canada. One of the things you can do while you are at the Bruce Peninsula National Park is climb the lookout tower. And that would be a definite no for me. And while Bruce and his sister are climbing up the tower, I'm taking the path down to the water, which is the Fathom 5 part of the park. This is a nice wheelchair accessible walk through a beautiful forest. So there's no reason you shouldn't be able to walk it down to the water's edge. And I made it to the end. And as you can see, it's very northern looking, but the water is a crystal clear and a Caribbean blue, but oh so cold. The furthest part of the escarpment is Cabot Head. And while it looks like that's all there is to the escarpment, it does go underwater after that and forms many islands out in the water. As you can see, there's part of the escarpment in the shallow waters here.
和叫西华